Hello everyone, Andrew Undum, Sure Group, Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're at a stunner, a massive home in Jarrettsville, a great spot in Harford County, 1817 Midsummer Lane. We got close to 10,000 square feet in this place, 6 beds, 4.5 baths. This is one you're not gonna wanna miss. Let us show you around. One thing I have to say about this house is it was custom built by a Whiting Turner engineer, over-spec'd, overbuilt, the sturdiest single family home we've ever seen here at the Sure Group. You'll see why inside. Grand double doors lead you into a 2-story foyer. When you have this much square footage, there's a lot of living space. Come check out the first of 3 family rooms. First family room, enormous, fireplace, tons of storage, 2 custom built-in desks. Walking right into the kitchen, you have a custom granite dining room built-in table here, into an office nook in a real chef's kitchen. Viking appliances, sub-zero fridge, tons of countertop space. Right off the kitchen is family room number 2. This is an elevated family room because there's a basketball court underneath. Morning room right off this room that leads out to the backyard. Spectacular. Heading over to the other wing of the house on the other side of the kitchen, on our way to the 3rd family room and rec room bar area, you have an enormous laundry area. Who doesn't want that? Washer, dryer, cabinets for days. Spectacular. Full powder room. Welcome to the west wing. We call this the billiards room, bar room, party room. Huge bar. Of course, it's a wet bar with ice maker, pool table, awesome home office right off this wing, and you have access to the basement. Welcome to the lower level. This floor is awesome. We have a full bathroom, another family room, 2 bedrooms, a woodworking shop, a ton of storage, and of course, a fully blocked basketball court inside. This is the woodworking area, and it shows all the exposed elements of the basement. If you're interested in this house, ask for the full spec sheet of the commercial grade everything that went into this house. Electric, HVAC, the plumbing, the roof, the foundation, the TJI reinforced joists. It's insane. The upper level has 4 huge bedrooms, 3 full baths, and this would be the primary bedroom. Enormous private bathroom, large bedroom, 1, 2, 3 walk-in closets, and my favorite, the balcony overlooking the estate. Off the sitting room of the primary bedroom, you have a Juliet balcony where you can enjoy your 10+ acre estate, complete with an invisible 3-acre dog fence. Absolutely stunning. Thanks for checking out 1817 Midsummer Lane. It's a big one. Over 10,000 finished square feet, 10.4 acres, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, custom built, sturdy and strong. Little things. Every bedroom's got a ceiling fan and a walk-in closet. Super sturdy, super fun for some family to come and make memories here at 1817 Midsummer Lane. It's a prized property here in Jarrettsville. Contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Sure Sales Group. We'd love to show you more of this gem in Jarrettsville.